What is going on, everybody? Today I'm gonna start a new challenge. It's gonna be 1 SOL to 100 SOL trading meme coins on Solana. So let's go. So I just bought this coin. I just bought this coin with 0.5 SOL. It looks promising. Looking to like exit here, or like maybe right here I'm gonna cut my losses if it's go down. Okay, I'm not gonna get too greedy. If it's back to this top, I'm out. Okay, just exited there. 0.13, it's pretty cool. We went with 0.5 and we sold 0.63. This looks promising. Okay. Oh, hell yeah. I'm not gonna be too greedy. This is a perfect 2x, but at 30k market cap and sold at 60k. It's pretty cool. Now we got 1.75 SOL. But with 1.5 here. Looking forward to sell at 60k market cap. It's pretty sweet. We've oh, should have not sold there because it's still going crazy. Volume is crazy right here, but we had our little scalp from 40k market cap to 50k, and we secured 0.4 SOL. So that's pretty cool. This one is heavily bonded, like you see. This is coins you would like to avoid. As you can see, it rugged pretty hard. Just like that. We sold at 15k market cap because I'm paper handed. But it's gonna go past that, just like that. Yeah, as I told you, Just wanted to like not risk it, you know, because we started with 1 SOL. We secured 0.4. We went with 2 SOL. It's pretty cool. He's still buying, and now we got 2.6 SOL, and it's at 30k market cap. Holy shit! I should have hold it a bit longer, to be honest, but I didn't really wanna risk it that much. Bought with 2 SOL at 8k, 9k market cap. Went ahead and added 0.5. There we go. At 10k right now, 13k. We're one SOL up. We secured a good profit on this. 1.35 SOL profit. It's pretty cool. A good scalp here, but at 9k market cap and sold at 13k. So you would like to buy these tokens that has like a good potential at as low as you can get on the market cap. Don't hold for too much, still on like a decent, okay, they paid the DEX was bought this, so I think I'm gonna like go ahead and buy back. Bought 3 SOL at 15k market cap. There we go. Cups he just bought. We're at 20k market cap right now. Up 0.5. It's pretty bundled, but it gets some decent volume. We're up 1.2 SOL right now. Just gonna sell it and secure 0.6 SOL right now, because it's heavily bundled, and even if these people like bought it and DEX is paid, it's heavily bonded. Top holders has like 3% and 2%. It's not cool, but we secured a decent profit on this one. 0.6. It's pretty cool. But with 2 SOL at 6k market cap, it's going crazy, and we're out. Shouldn't sold, to be honest, but yeah, that's a quick scalp from 6 to 11. I really shouldn't sell. Damn. Anyways, we secured a decent profit. Secured 1.26 SOL, and right now we're at 5.8 SOL. The narrative is cool, and we're back in profits. There we go. It's going up a little bit. Just gonna cut our losses right here. This is our first losing trade of the day, but I don't see no more volume, so it was a good point of selling. We lost 0.3, but it's okay. It's not a big deal. You gotta know where to cut your losses. with a good risk management, you can like get that 100 SOL balance. But 5 SOL at 35k market cap per year. There we go. 50k market cap. Sold here. There we go. We secured 1.4 SOL. It's pretty cool. Shouldn't sold again. Damn. Anyways, we're at 6.8 SOL right now. But with 5 SOL here at 7k market cap. And yeah, just like that. A quick scalp made 0.8 SOL. Pretty cool. We're at 7.6 SOL today. We're up 6.6 SOL. Just trying to make it to 8 SOL. But with 5 SOL at 8k market cap. And there we go. Quick scalp from 8 to 9k market cap. We made 0.7 here. We're at 8.1 SOL right now. So we started with 1 SOL and we're at 8 SOL right now. So it's pretty good start for our challenge. As you can see, guys, we have 8.1 SOL. It was a successful trading session. Just trenched for like 2 hours, but it was decent. If you're trying to like use AXIOM, you can use the code in my description below. Use my link. It will give you discounts on fees and everything, and it will support me, so it's a win-win situation. Hope you guys profitable, and we will continue this journey together. Drop a follow, drop a subscribe and like this video if you liked the content, and see you in another video.